What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we're going to be changing the air filter on a 2017 Honda CR-V. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Pop the hood open. Okay, so I have the 2.4 liter LX model. I'm going to also give you information on the 1.5 liter turbo, the higher model one. But on this one, you just go ahead and unsnap these clips. If you have the 1.5 liter, there's just going to be 4 Phillips screws around the air box. It'll be right here on the driver's side, or 8mm heads. But on this one, it's super basic. You just unsnap those 2 clips, and we'll just pull the filter out. Check out this. Whoo, that is dirty. Here's the new filter. I'll show you guys the difference. Look at how dirty this is. Now, when are you going to want to check this? I'd check it every 10,000 miles, and you should replace it every 10 to 30,000 miles. Here's the information on the part numbers for the filters. The top one right here is for the 2.4, and the bottom one right here is for the 1.5. So I'll put some links down in the description too for you guys. Alright, so a nice little tip is go ahead and write your mileage on the side of the air filter so you know when you changed it. And in case, you know, you take it in somewhere and they're like, oh, you need to change your air filter, like they always say, like even right after you put it in, they'll tell you, oh, you need to have it changed. So you just throw it in there. And on the 2.4 liter, it's just as easy as the snaps, but like I said, the 1.5, just 4 little screws. But alright guys, and that's it guys. That is how to change your air filter. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell for the new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY guys. Keep on doing yourself. Take care.